IFEAT has placed sustainability at the core of its role within the flavor and fragrance industry. My name is Maria Juliana from Green Future Project, and I'm here to share how our partnership is helping IFEAT measure, manage, and reduce the environmental impact of its events. So how did everything begin? In 2023, at the Berlin conference, IFEAT measured its carbon footprint, the total CO2 equivalent generated by the event, for the first time. This pilot project conducted by Green Future Project marked the beginning of our collaboration and provided a baseline of the conference's environmental impact. In 2024, at the Bangkok conference, the calculation was repeated to give continuity to the pilot project, ensure reliable results, and identify areas of improvement. In 2025, at the Gothenburg conference, the next phase begins. Green Future Project is training IFEAT's executive committee to use the carbon footprint software, the same tool applied in previous conferences, so that the federation can start managing assessments independently. Data collection for Gothenburg is already underway with the aim of pinpointing the main sources of emissions and reducing the impact year after year. However, the assessment will only be finalized after the event has concluded once all of the data has been collected. So how does measuring an event's carbon footprint work? A carbon footprint is the sum of all greenhouse gas emissions linked to an activity. In this case, a conference event. To measure these emissions, data is collected from different sources, such as electricity consumption at the venue, travel and overnight stays by participants, purchased goods and services, water use and treatment, and waste produced during the event. Green Future Project's carbon footprint software then processes this information and translates it into kilograms of CO₂e. The result is a precise and transparent picture of the event's environmental impact, which can be compared year after year. This approach makes it possible not only to understand the impact of each event, but also to identify where reductions can be achieved. Measuring impact is the first essential step. With this process, IFEAT not only understands the footprint of its events, but also sets an example for how the flavor and fragrance industry can evolve responsibly.